Today I will make a very easy origami craft paper dog. It is so easy that you just need a sheet of origami craft paper and sketch pen. Let's begin, my friends. Hope this video is very useful to you. Let's begin. So we will start off with a sheet of origami craft paper. Then we will fold it into triangular shapes. Make the edges pointy. Next, I will unfold it and do on the other side. The same fold, I will do it like this. It will face like this. It will be face like this, and then I will fold it again like this. At this time, I will fold this part to here, and I will again do on the other side. And now I will unfold this and turn to the other side and slowly fold it like this. Hope the shape comes. It's almost looking like a dog. So now we will add the features of the face with a marker. You can do designs. I will do designs in the ear like this. I'll try to cover it fully. Still some spaces left, and then I will do it on the other ear but tilted. Only some spaces left. And now I will do the face. It will be a very cute dog. The nose will be like this. Now we have a very easy origami craft